There are three types of plates in Comosys. These are contour plates, folded plates, and sectional plates. This video will explain sectional plate entry and its various attributes. The sectional plate is located here in the steel menu. Just press the button to start using it, or press Shift before clicking it to set current properties before using. The command works in two ways. You can either select an existing contour plate and then select 2 points, or you can simply right-click to bypass the plate selection and only select 2 points. This is the more common usage of the command, so let's try it first. So let's say we wanted to create the end plate of a beam and a haunch connection. Just create a sectional view. And change the work plane to the view plane. Now click the section plate icon. After clicking it, simply right-click to bypass the plate selection and select 2 points. A rectangular plate will be created perpendicular to the 2 points selected. The Z direction of the view coordinate system will be used to fix the remaining 2 points of the plate. If we want the width of this plate to be equal to the flange width of the column, we can simply write the flange width of the column here to get the desired result. Basically, the command allows you to enter plates from their sectional views. Instead of going to another view, where you are looking at the plate from the front, you simply keep working in the section, and just enter the plate by entering 2 points. Switching between views is time-consuming, as are the extra clicks to select the 4 points needed to create this plate, if the contour plate command were to be used. But that's not all. Being an intelligent object, the sectional plate allows you to give offsets to the start and end points chosen. Simply enter offsets here to extend or shorten the sectional plate from both sides. We have 2 anchoring options as well. The position in plane option is accessible by the Ctrl+W shortcut as always. But we also have the option from inside the property window to give the plate a position and depth anchor. Using this, we can create the plate by middling it around the Z-axis of the view, bringing it entirely in the positive Z-axis or the negative Z-axis. For both anchors, we have offsets if further movements are required. Let's create the flange plate of the haunch connection as well using the same sectional plate command. Let's say it will be 30 mm above this point and 550 mm to the right of this point. By combining direct entry, we can quickly create this plate as well from the section view. Here we can see an example by drawing this flange plate in sectional view using direct entry method. This direct entry method is so easy as we already discussed. You can check how to change workplanes and how to create profiles by direct entry method in relevant videos. Now you can see the flange plate of the haunch connection was created and placed very easily and quickly. The third plate to complete the haunch connection is not a sectional plate, so we can just enter it here as a contour plate. It's a triangular plate, so we will just snap to these points already available. And then quickly give the 3 vertices a chamfer value to finish our detailing. The second usage of the sectional plate command is by selecting a contour plate before selecting the 2 points. This option actually creates 2 plates on the front and back of the selected plate. The picture in the property window represents this case. The 2 green plates are the created plates, and the gray plate is the selected plate. The 2 points chosen represent the line along which the 2 plates will be created. Wherever this line intersects the edges of the selected plate will represent the ends of the created plates as well. Of course, we have our offsets to shrink the plates inwards or expand them outwards. This option is also useful in certain detailing situations, and the advantage in this case is that the welds between the selected and created plates are also created in a single go. The details of the weld tab are explained in the training video for welds. These created plates can be given chamfers as shown in the picture. And the user also has an option of creating just one plate rather than both. Thanks for watching.